Hello, this is Cassandra Dean's book review. I read the book, The Google Cardboard Book, Explore, Engage, and Educate with Virtual Reality. Engage, explore, and educate are alluring words, but they are used in the title of the book. The Google Cardboard Book was an undesirable read for me considering its boast of virtual reality. The authors Holly Clark, Sylvia Duckworth, Jeffrey Hill, David Hotler, Donnie Percy, and Lisa Thuman, who are certified Google innovators, which I didn't know there was a certification for this, detail the use of technology to create virtual reality with the Cardboard Box Kit. The Cardboard Box Kit is inexpensive, and since so many schools are on a tight budget, the authors believe this expense can be passed off to parents as a recommended item for students to have to use throughout the school year. The virtual reality of using the Google Cardboard will allow students to explore the world. The book mentions the Mattel Viewfinder, a toy from the 1970s that allowed that generation, which I am proud to say I'm a part of, to view cartoon reels for entertainment one click at a time. There were no voices, no sounds, but it allowed the viewer to write the script that matched up with the pictures, and my hero Scooby-Doo always came out victorious at the last click of the reel. The Google Cardboard is a 21st century version of the Viewfinder, hooked up to technology that will allow students to be enticed with further use of their devices in a classroom setting for educational purposes, in quotations. The many references to apps provided in the book for use of the Google Cardboard made me question myself. Am I reading a book on technology and teaching, or a flyer insert that comes in the mail advertising the vast amount of virtual reality applications that are free and or at low cost? The authors did point out the uses that would be beneficial to students that are not able to take field trips to certain places or see certain people or things, and the use of the virtual reality technology would allow students to see beyond their class, community, state, and country if they have the technology available to them. The multiple authors introduce the Google Cardboard as an extension of exploration of classroom lessons and material, but then go on a tangent about creating 360-degree pictures and videos. Again, providing many applications and websites for readers, investigations, and use to explore virtual reality. The boast of the low cost of creating the Google Cardboard failed to acknowledge the inherent cost of purchasing the technology needed to use the Google Cardboard. The construction of the virtual reality gadget can be done as a group project in the classroom, but if a student, teacher, or school district is not able to afford the Google Cardboard, in quotations, or tools needed to cut out the pattern, will the virtual tour be canceled for the day, semester, or year? I don't think so. The teacher or student with a cell phone could hook it up to the projection screen or televisions that are now in classrooms, and the guided tour will start, resume, or continue until the end of the tour or until the battery life died. I believe the use of virtual reality is a great experience for learning about new places and people and things, but with so many social media giants pulling away students and teachers' attention from learning and teaching, I believe this Google Cardboard would be a waste of time and energy. The money has already been spent on the iPhones and Samsung products that parents are struggling to provide for their children just to keep up with their social media, let alone adding educational lessons to straighten their eyes more on the glow of the cell phone, iPad, or Kindle screen. The Google Cardboard book, Explore, Engage, and Educate with Virtual Reality, is a great source if one is looking to connect the past with the present, but not for exploration of educational pursuits in support of using technology. There are many avenues in the 21st century to explore virtual reality, but I do not believe the Google Cardboard is one worth spending $10 per student. The technology is already available. We have our cell phones, we have our iPads, we have our Kindles, we have laptops, we have computers. It's endless, the technology that we have already. The technology is already available and can be used, shared, and redistributed if there are no copyright infringements. What will this cardboard add to virtual reality? Privacy. The book was a quick read, provided direction on another use of cardboard, and it was informative about the many virtual reality applications available. But as far as teaching, learning is concerned, it did not hit the mark, or let alone anywhere in the target area of technologies used with learning and teaching for me. Really? Your cell phone in a cardboard box and you want me to pay for that? 2 thumbs down for me. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my review of the Google Cardboard book, Engage, Explore, and Educate. Thank you.